Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact audio you want and trimming it to ringtone length. Keep it under 40 seconds because iPhone enforces that. Once trimmed, export as AAC, M4A at a good bitrate so the sound stays crisp. Make sure the segment starts and ends cleanly. Abrupt fades sound better. You do this now because the conversion and file type change depend on a properly trimmed AAC file. Once saved, locate it in Finder or iTunes so you can convert it next. Next, convert the trimmed M4A into the ringtone container that iPhone accepts. In iTunes or Finder, right-click and choose Create AAC Version. That yields a duplicate. Then in your file manager, show File Extensions and rename. M4A2, M4R, this tells iOS it's a ringtone. Once renamed, drag the M4R into your device's tones area in Finder or into the tones section in iTunes. This step moves the ringtone onto the phone when you finally sync your phone so the M4R transfers to the device. Once syncing finishes, open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics and choose Ringtone. Your new tone appears at the top of the list. Select it. If you don't see it, make sure the file was under 40 seconds, correctly renamed to M4R, and that the sync completed without errors. If problems persist, recreate the AAC, confirm extensions are visible, and repeat the drag and sync. That usually fixes missing tones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.